Making money through conventional methods is hard. After spending countless hours of your day, you still barely make enough to support yourself and your family. But what if I tell you I can teach you a way to make money online with almost no work and zero risk? You don't even have to spend a single penny from your pocket and you can make hundreds of dollars per day. Sounds amazing, right? So watch this video to the very end, as after learning just a few simple steps you can say goodbye to the life of less and money and achieve financial freedom. What if I tell you there is a method by which you have to simply upload an image on a website and with this, you can earn money forever? You don't need any prior technical skills or any kind of investment as this method as it is completely free for all. You can use this method on your laptops or even mobiles. If you follow my instructions from start to end, you will be making tons of cash online without any challenging work. All you have to do now is go to pixabay.com for the first step. This is a website where you can get copyright-free photos to download. Pixabay is a free stock photo and video website and app that assists designers, bloggers, and anybody else looking for visuals in finding high-quality photos and films that can be downloaded and used for free. If you like a photo or video on Pixabay, you can download it for free. I'd like you to write Happy Girl into the search box. You'll get a lot of results. From there, you can download any image you like. I'll show you how we'll use this image for this strategy right now. Remove.bg is the name of the website I'd like to present to you today. Another program that may be used to remove backgrounds completely automatically in 5 seconds with no clicks is this one. You can cut down on editing time and have more fun with Remove.bg's intelligent AI. Upload the image you acquired from Pixabay with the background, and then remove the background using this free program, as shown here. The best part is that it is completely free. Yes, you read that correctly. You may utilize this artificial intelligence program for free and afterward use it to make money online. In a moment, I'll show you how to accomplish exactly that. Let's try how this technology works on their main page before I teach you how to generate money utilizing this website. You can upload a photo or simply drag and drop a photo into this box, as shown. I'll try to use this photo as an example. As you can see, they eliminated the background from this shot in a couple of seconds, and you can download it for free here. Simply click on one of these two to download it in a larger resolution. Alternatively, you can simply click here to download it directly to your computer. You can do this on your phone as well, so you don't have to worry if you don't have access to a computer or laptop. Now I'm going to show you some websites where you can make money only by using this software. Fiverr.com is the name of the first website. This website, I'm sure, is already recognizable to many of you. However, for those who are unfamiliar, this is an internet marketplace for freelancing services. Here, freelancers can market their skills to customers all around the world. To do so, go to the search box and enter in "remove background" before pressing the search button. After that, you'll be able to see all of the people that are selling similar services. You can do this type of work as well, and you won't have to break a sweat. Because everything is automated with Remove.bg, you can simply upload an image and have the background removed with AI. To start earning money on Fiverr, you must first register an account. To do so, simply click here and choose the option to become a seller. Then you'll want to head over to this page to sign up as a seller for free. All you have to do now is fill in the required information and click here to proceed. You can now start selling your services on Fiverr following that. PeoplePerHour.com is the next website where you can also sell services. All you have to do is search for background removal, exactly like on Fiverr, and you'll see all of these people selling their services. You can make money by just eliminating backgrounds from images, and you don't have to do anything because you can utilize Remove.bg to do it. To begin selling your services on PeoplePerHour.com, simply sign up for a free account by clicking on this link at the top. Then you'll arrive at this screen, where you should select, "I want to work as a freelancer." And then fill up the blanks with the necessary information. You can start selling your services on these websites now that you have accounts on Fiverr and PeoplePerHour. So, if you want to eliminate the background from a photo, you can use Remove.bg and repeat the process till you have the required income. So, by simply doing nothing, you can make a lot of money without working hard or breaking a sweat. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.